I'm so impressed. Like, this is mind-blowing. Hi, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching my video. So today I'm going to do a new video on my channel. I'm going to review, try, and test durability of the new foundation. This is the Loreal Infallible Concealer and Foundation. The foundation is $14.99 and the concealer is $12.99. I believe they are $2 cheaper in Target, so if you guys want to check that out. L'Oreal came up with a new infallible foundation and it says that it is up to 24-hour fresh wear and also it has sunscreen. L'Oreal has been carrying Infallible line in their company for quite a bit now. Foundations that they make are really good and tested by the consumers. So this one, I'm pretty excited about it. I am in the shade 475, which is Sun Beige. L'Oreal didn't just came up with a new foundation, but also a new concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This one reminds me of the Sharp Shape Tape. I got the number 365 Cahsew. I think this is light for me, but I like a brighter effect concealer. Let's start with that foundation. I have nothing on my face. I just spread the Urban Decay B6. I had this for a very long time now. I've been using it for years, and I always have a backup stock. So Urban Decay B6 is a vitamin-infused complexion priming spray. Used to be a purple bottle, but they repackaged and now it's in a green bottle. I noticed that when I use it, my skin gets really good, and also the inflammation on my skin, which is my psoriasis around my nose, here, and on my eyebrow. Also here, I got some on my lips. They go away. Somehow this product calmed down my psoriasis and all the inflammation on my face. So I'm gonna spritz that again because I feel I'm drying right now. Okay, so I'm not gonna use any primer. I'm just gonna put the foundation. So it says on L'Oreal.com that this is the most lightweight, breathable, long wear. Up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation provides medium to full blendable coverage. So it says also the formula's 3 oil absorbers resist sweat, water, and transfer. So it should be transfer proof, water resistant, and sweat resistant. It is formulated with SPF and they have 30 shades for every skin tone. I'll just use my finger to distribute the product. I think I did 3 half pumps. And then from this, I'm going to get my beauty blender and then start blending. Doesn't have a scent. First application, I think this is the medium coverage that they are saying. I'm a full coverage kind of girl, so I'm gonna add more. That's the 1 pump. I'm not gonna put too much under my eyes because I'm going to put concealer anyway. I have psoriasis here and here. But with this foundation, you have to blend quickly because it dries quickly on your face. Okay, so 3 pumps is actually ideal for my taste. So far, I really like the formulation. It's very light and it's actually doing what it says on the bottle, that it's very breathable. Yeah, I like it very much. It is matte, as you can see, but it's not very drying on the skin. It doesn't emphasize my wrinkles on my face, and it doesn't make me look old like other matte foundations like the Morphe one. So this one is actually pretty good and I'm very impressed. Now I'm very excited to use their concealer. So this is the concealer and it reminds me of the Shape Tape concealer, the applicator, and the bottle size itself. Okay, so this is my Shape Tape and this is the L'Oreal concealer. They are almost the same size. Right? I think every company right now is trying to be like Shape Tape because it is the best concealer in the market right now. I just don't know why they have to mimic the packaging too. This is how I put my concealer. I'm just gonna blend it with my beauty sponge. So this concealer is really like the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I am blown. Oh my gosh. The only concealer that makes this on my face is the Sharp Tape Shape. and it's the same. So the concealer is actually $12.99 and it's cheaper at Target. I think it's $10.99. It says that full on coverage and full face wear for up to 24 hours. The new Wear Concealer is the highest coverage formula in our widest concealer shade range ever. So if you like the coverage of their other concealer, this has more coverage. This is mind-blowing. It's actually pretty good. Waterproof, non-greasy formula without transfer, fade, or flake. So your full coverage look is lock it all day. 25 full coverage shades. This is very impressive for $12.99 and at Target $10.99. It's actually pretty good. So I'll set my foundation and concealer with the Ben Nye Banana Powder. I'm done setting my foundation and concealer. I have a little baking going on under my eyes. So I'll do my face, my whole face off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I came up. Back to the foundation and the concealer. It looks so good. It's actually looking so good. I'm so impressed with the new concealer, and also the foundation is sitting well on my skin. I didn't do anything extravagant. I didn't even use my Lancome Blur and Go stick primer. I didn't use any primer. It's good. I'm so impressed. Like, this is mind-blowing. This combo is a bomb, and I think I'm gonna use them more than my high-end products. This is really good. And I thought like Cahsew is gonna be light for me, but it's actually pretty good. For $27, foundation and concealer, and this is just like Shape Tape Concealer. I promise you, you have to try this. This is amazing. I'm going to try it, wear and test, so there's the durability, right? We will see what's gonna happen after 12 hours, or maybe at least 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours. We will see like how the foundation is gonna go. I'm gonna check with you guys tonight before I wash my face off and before I go to bed. But so far, this is amazing. Hi guys, so checking in. It is 7 o'clock here in Texas, and I put my foundation at 1 o'clock. It has been 6 hours. Foundation is still looking good. I ate some dinner already. My lipstick is gone, but foundation and concealer is looking really good. There is a little bit of separation around my nose. It's not a big deal. It's always like that. I always get it, high-end or not, and I have not retouched yet. This is actually pretty good. It's good. I don't even look oily. I went grocery shopping with my family. I cooked dinner, ate dinner, and it's still good. I have to retouch my lipstick though, so I'll come back in a few hours and check in again. Okay guys, so this is my last check-in. It's already past 10 here in Texas, and the foundation has been on my face for 9 hours, almost 10, and it's still good. There's no issues. I got like some lipstick here. I didn't retouch. There's no major issue with the separation here, just on my nose. So what's good about it? I'm not oily at all. My cheeks are not oily. There's no oil on my face. I think it's gonna go on really good for more hours. Okay, so for my verdict for the new Loreal Infallible 24-hour foundation and concealer, it's really good. You guys should try it. It's $14.99 and this one is $12.99. I recommend it to anybody, especially those who have oily skin. I actually never tried a drugstore foundation and concealer that I like so much, especially concealer. Not even the LA Girl concealer, pro concealer. It's just like Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte. The foundation and concealer are very good and approved. You guys should try it. So this is the end of my video. I'm already tired and I'm gonna go to bed. Again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Bye!